Go, Jay!
So, 99 days, kung i-compare ko yung day 1 ko to now, feeling ko may imposter syndrome pa noon. But now, mas comfortable na ako to share about things that I actually care about. Kasi yun yung ano ko na-realize ko na problem that I really want to solve na parang hindi ko siya masagot at naiinis ako na kailangan ko siyang sagutin. Pero ngayon na sa wakas na nung patapos na sa ako na napagtanto na ang gusto ko talaga ma-solve is how do I make other people care about the things I care about.
Go!
And it doesn't have to be very complicated. For me, I just need to show why I care about the stuff, about these things that I'm posting. That's what I'm letting lead now. Is this something I care about? Ano yung nagmamatter sa akin? And if I'm able to communicate that, hopefully it would inspire other people then to come also from a place of caring, from a place of passion. Like, what are you passionate about? Ano yung gigil? Yeah, na parang hindi siya malinaw sa akin before. But now, thanks to Project OP tsaka sa Becoming, mas nararamdaman ko na yung sinasabi ni Carla na mensahe na ikaw lang yung makapagbibigay sa mundo. Mga ganun.
Ah,
Puso, puso at puso pa rin.
yes.
Can I get an Eme up in here? Charot.
Let's go! Nice work, Jay.
Eme!
Solid. Thank you, Jace. Solid ito. Ang galing. Great job, Jace.